Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I would be sharing to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. I would be featuring, of course, their features, prices, SKU, and of course, their launch date. You know our practice here, guys. If you like anything, kindly just ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot and check with your CAs or check online for orders and availability. So guys, I'm inviting you to stay tuned until the end of the episode and happy shopping, guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Guys, please do like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! For today's episode, I'm very happy to share upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton, prices, features, SKUs, and launch dates, and everything that you need to know. All will be included here. Kindly take a screenshot, and for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping! Alright, let us start first with the new collection, the Monogram Shadow Collection. That would be launching April 11, 2024. First, we have this very beautiful pochette to go. Price is €960. The main material of the Monogram Shadow Collection is new monogram canvas. It would come with leather trims. I am loving the contrast of the navy blue leather material. Next, we have the everyday tote. Price is €2,400. I am loving this tote bag made of the empreinte leather with black hardware. This is perfect as an everyday bag, as a work bag, even as a travel bag. Just look how spacious this bag is, and I love that the monogram is subtle. It's not like the bicolor counterpart. And then we have the Rush Bum bag. Price is €2,000. We have SKU here. The color is noir, just like with the tote bag earlier. I am loving this combination. Black on black on black. Even the hardware is black. And then, of course, the monogram is also in the noir color, so you are not going to notice it from afar. And then we have the Messenger Voyager size PM. Price is €2,700. Still part of the Monogram Shadow Collection in the main material, or it is made of empreinte leather. Color is noir. Very spacious messenger bag, as you can see here. Perfect as a work bag, even as a travel bag. Then going back to the monogram canvas material, we have the Gaston wearable wallet. Price is €1,600. So this is like a smaller version of the Pochette Voyage or the Toiletry Pouch 26. I was able to try this style of bag in person, and it looks really good. Although, take note, it's a little bit smaller. Then we have the Duo Sling bag. Price is €2,300. SKU is provided. So this is a sling bag style. It would be worn across your chest. It has one main zippered compartment in front. It would come with coin pouch, as we could see here. What do you think of this style bag? Then we have the Discovery backpack. Price is €2,700. So this is a backpack style with the new canvas print, the Shadow Collection. I am really loving this colorway since it is like a navy or ink blue, and then the monogram is in white. Then we have SLG. First, we have pocket organizer. The price of this one is $425. The colorway of the Shadow Collection is ink blue, and the contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram is in white, as we could see here in close-up. I'm just hoping that the Louis Vuitton monogram is not printed or would not peel off in time. Then we have the multiple wallet, still an SLG. Price is €570. Still part of the Monogram Shadow Collection. So this is a compact wallet style. It would have multiple card slots on the inside, as you could see here. and it has compartments for our folded bills. Next, we have the Keepall size 50. Price is 3,100 euro. We have SKU here. Still, the colorway is still the ink blue and with the white contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. Size is 50, Keepall, and it would come with bag tag and detachable canvas strap, as we could see here. Then we have the colorway of white with the navy monogram canvas colorway. So first we have the Keepall 50. Price is 3,100 euro. It would come with the bag tag, detachable canvas strap. Which one is your favorite, guys? Would it be the darker colorway or would be this white colorway? Next, we have the Trio Messenger. Price is 2,350. So I'm sure everyone's familiar that the Trio Messenger comes with 3 pouches. So we have a bigger pouch, we have a smaller pouch, then we have a detachable coin pouch like this one. If I'm sure everyone would love the whiter or the lighter colorway because it really looks good and would be perfect maybe for the fall winter. Then we have the Speedy 20. So this is going back to the confetti collection. So guys, the confetti collection is already in stores, I believe, right now, but you could check with your CAs. The launching is March 22nd, 2024. I am loving the Speedy 20. However, the vachetta is ultra white, just like with this Dauphine Mini. So in the confetti collection, this is a new monogram canvas design, and we are going to see that it would come with leather trims. For the Dauphine, it would come with chain strap, it would come with leather strap, and the hardware is gold. So again, kindly check with your CAs for the availability of the confetti collection. Next, we have SLG. We have the long zippy wallet. Price is 795 euro. It is a full zip wallet and the hardware is gold, as you could see here. So definitely, since this is a full size zip wallet, it may not fit our smaller bags or even our teeny tiny micro bags. Then we have the very beautiful Ivy wallet on chain. Price is 1,850 euro or 2,290 USD. It would come with 2 straps. So we have the vachetta crossbody strap and we have a gold chain strap that you could wear as a shoulder bag. So again, wallet on chain, guys, you have just to be mindful of the things that you're going to bring when you are carrying the wallet on chain. And then we have the Nano No Way. The price of this one is 1,850 euro or 2,290 euro. Still part of the confetti collection that would be launching March 22nd. So the difference with this one with the classic Nano No Way, as you could see here, it would not come with the leather top handle. I'm guessing that the chain would be the top handle of this bag. And guys, OMG, how beautiful is this Capucines Mini. Price is 23,400 euro. So it is made of exotic or croc leather, as you can see here. But what I am loving most with this bag is this very beautiful rare design chain top handle. How gorgeous is this Capucines? Then part of the RT chain collection, first we have the Cousin size BB. The price of this one is 3,400 euro or 4,300 USD. The color of this one is vert. So please take note, the size is baby. So this is a smaller version, but how cute the colorway of this one, and the chain is so beautiful. Then in the colorway of John, we have the Cousin PM. Price is 3,900 euro or 4,950 USD. We have SKU here. So this is like the beige clear colorway from Chanel. I am really loving the colorway of this one, even the gold hardware that they have used. Then we have a new design bag. First, we have the Alice monogram. Price is 6,800 euro or 7,200 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a vanity trunk bag in the monogram canvas with vachetta trims and leather top handle. It would come with detachable strap, gold hardware, and S-lock. Then we have the Louis Vuitton twist east-west bag. So we have two colorway, we have in red, we have in blue. The price of these both bag is 2,200 euro or 2,720 USD. The main material, of course, is the very beautiful epi leather, as we could see here. So there is a third colorway, but however it's a little bit pricey. Price is 2,400 euro or 2,970 USD. The reason is because, as you're going to see the close-up of the Louis Vuitton twist bag, it is a very rare design. So it would come with detachable leather strap and detachable chain strap. Honestly, I am not loving the gold Louis Vuitton twist lock on this one. Then we have the Petite Mal from the Nautical collection that will be launching March 22nd. Price is 5,800 euro or 7,200 USD. Nautical theme design like rope, top handle. It would have rope artwork on the front of the bag. So guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!